Good afternoon, children. Welcome to our online class. Today we are going to learn 8th standard maths, third chapter algebra, exercise 3.6, fourth Roman letter. In previous video, we have learned first Roman letter and second and third Roman letters are match and true. So this is the fourth Roman letter. Find x and p value. P is not here. So only find the x and y value. Okay. So second sum we have the y. So find the x and y value. First question is 2x by 3 minus 4 is equal to 10 by 3. How can you do the sum? How can you solve the sum? First I am going to solve the sum. Take equation 2x divided by 3, 2x divided by 3 minus 4 is equal to 10 by 3. Okay. What is the next step here? I'll do segregation constant one place and variable one place. So I'll keep it the variable here 2x by 3. I will bring down only the constant, that means 4. Bring down the opposite side. Minus 4 change to plus 4. Yes, correct. Minus 4 change to plus 4. So 10 by 3 minus 4. Then what is the next step? I will do the cross multiplication here. 3 into 4, so I will do the cross multiplication. I will get minus 4, sorry, it changed to plus, no, I will put the minus, okay, sorry, plus 4, I will do the cross multiply here, 3 4s are 12, so 10 plus 10 by 3 plus 12, it gives same, cross multiply means we have the same denominator, so 12 by 3 it gives 22 by 3. What is the next step? What is the next step here? Then 2x by 3 is equal to 22 by 3. I keep it the variable only here. I bring down the 2 by 3 is in opposite side. Its fraction going to opposite side, it will change to reciprocal. You know, already you are learned in previous class. I keep it the y here. I take out only 2 by 3. Is it the fraction? 2 by 3 going to opposite side, change to reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of this 2 by 3? Yes, 3 by 2. Then I strike out that. I'll do the cancel. 3 3 cancel. Then 2 1 stamp and then 2 11 2s are 22. Now the answer equal to, what is the answer here? 1 minute. What is the answer here? X equal to 11. Is it clear? Yes. Okay. Then I'll move the second sum. Y plus 1 by 6 minus 3y is equal to 2 by 3. First I am taking the variable y minus 3. This is the lag term. So I taking the lag term in one place. Replacing the lag term in one place. Rearranging the lag term in one place. That means solution. That is the solution. First I am writing the solution. Then I rearrange the like terms as one side, means y minus 3y Then I bring down the constant also next side. 2 by 3 already I have. I bring down the 1 by 6. Bring down the 1 by 6 in opposite. It have the plus. So it's going to change to minus. Let's change to minus of 1 by 6. Then this is the like terms we can subtract. It gives minus 2y. It gives minus 2y. Then I am taking the constant value. The both are fraction but denominator are different. So we have the different denominator. We can take the LCM. So we should take the LCM. What is the LCM of 3 and 6? What is the LCM of 3 and 6? Yes, first I am taking the 3 tables. Ones are, twos are. Then again I am taking the 2 tables. 1 times and 1 times. What is the LCM of this number? LCM is equal to 3 twos are. That means 3 into 2s are 6. So LCM is equal to 6. So LCM is equal to 6. Then how many times in 3? 2 times. 3 twos are 6. So I divided 6 by 3. It gives 2 times. I multiply 2 with the 2. 2 twos are 4. 6 by 6, it gives 1. So I multiply 1 here. Minus 1. 1 ones are 1. Then minus 2y. 4 minus 3 is equal to plus 3. 3 by 6. The simplest forms here. 1 by 2. 1 3s are 3. 2 3s are 6. 1 by 2. What is the next step? What is the next step here? So minus 2y, it gives 1 by 2. Then I bring down the 2 in that side. Here have multiply form. Okay, it's going to that side means what happened? Change to divided form. So multiply change to divided form means minus 1 by 2. It gives minus 1 by 4. Okay, is it clear? So y is equal to minus 1 by 4. Then third sum. Okay. Third sum, same method. What is the first method? Rearranging the variable one side and constants also over another side. So, sorry. Constant that side. So now I bring down the 7x in this side means it changed to, first I am going to write the question. 1 by 3 minus 6 by 3 is equal to 7x by 12 plus 5 by 4 plus 5 by 4. Okay, I bring down the constant in that side and variable in that side and constant in this side. Okay, so 7x going to that side, it will change to minus. Already here minus x is have minus x by 3, and then here also change to minus 7x because it have the plus in opposite side. So going to this side means minus 7x by 12 equal to, same procedure we follow here also. I will write the 5 by 4 as it is. 5 by 4 as it is. 5 by 4, I bring down the 1 by 3 this side means change to minus because it have the plus. So change to minus 1 by 3. Then the same method what we are done in previous sums. Denominator difference means what I am telling, because this is not the like term. The denominators are same only, we can add or subtract. The denominator are difference, but first we are going to take the LCM. So what is the LCM of 3 and 12? Let us see 12, which table it comes to. Next 3 tables. I'll take the 3 tables 1 times, again 4 times. 4 3s are 12s, then 4s are 1s are, and then 1s. LCM of this sum, LCM is equal to 3 4s are 12. 3 into 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. So taking the LCM here common, denominator 12. How many times divided 12 by 3 is how many times? 4 times. So I will multiply numerator 4 times. It gives minus 4x. 12 by 12 is equal to 1 times. So 7x into 1 times it gives a 7x. Same thing. Okay. Then same thing we follow. The 4 and 3 are different denominator. Taking the LCM of 4 and 3. What is the answer? What is the LCM? 4 1 times and bring down the 3. Then 3 1 times. So LCM is equal to 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Same denominator. So I take the common denominator 12. How many times come 4 in 12? Divided by 12 divided by 4 means it gives 3. So I multiply 3 above numerator. 5 3s are 15 minus 12 divided by 3 4 times. So I will multiply 4 here. 4 it gives, then minus 4x and minus 7x. It is a like term, so we can subtract means that we can add, because same symbol have, so we can add. So minus 11x divided by 12, then 15 minus 4 is equal to 11 by 12. Then I'm going to find the x value. X equal to 11 by 12 and bring down the 11 by 2 in opposites. This 11 by 2 I bring down the opposite side. It changed to, this is also fraction, reciprocal. Reciprocal means what is that? 12 by 11 minus 12 by 11. So 11 cancel. 12 also cancel. So what is the x value? X equal to minus 1. Okay. This is the x value. Is it clear, children? Thank you.